Okay, what are you gonna do, my darling?
I am going to drill a hole in that, put that in, so that you could hang that egg.
That one. Let's do it.
That is,
Did not go well.
didn't go as I thought. So,
Bolt, knot.
it's not a nut, that's for sure. I'm not sure if this will hold. I might have to put something through and let it hang from the top.
I think so. Metal.
You're kind of overweight.
Sure. Otherwise, you're not gonna get food. I do it. I'm trying to film from far away as I walk through the. There you go.
And coming. It's a bird's play nose Eggman.
Gonna stand far away and ta-ta-ta-ta. Woohoo!
I don't know, maybe this will be a failure.
Maybe it's too high.
I'll just put a new cable in.
Who gonna test?
I want to put it on. If this thing falls,
We're gonna have to make it
there's no
stronger.
pillows, it's hurting my bum.
I'll give you.
What do you think? Taking the pole too much? No, it's not. It's hanging down. This is perfect.
Now we need another one. Right.
I think this high is actually nice.
And we made the grass. Well, we planted the grass. We're waiting. Just kidding.
And of course for herself, she will put a nice soft pillow on. But that's fine. I must say this is handling it well. I don't need any support structures. Love it, darling. The handy work of your man. A little bit lower because you and I are dwarves, apparently.